Elite Lighting, arguably one of the finest lighting companies in North America, providing products that meet or exceed desired specifications, give an assurance that Elite Lighting truly cares for the customer as well as the customer's needs. From enhancing the identity of the most prominent corporation to providing for the individual needs of celebrities and personalities, Elite Lighting is proud to contribute to the beauty that enhanced lighting affords. Elite Lighting's projects include Elite Lighting's products are stocked by some of the largest and most prominent electrical distributors in North America.